Almost everyone has it at home. We use it for peeling vegetables such as potatoes, cucumbers, or carrots. But do you know what the protruding element is for? Most people don't pay any attention to it at all. However, since it's there, it surely serves a purpose. Peelers are strange in general. They have blades attached in one place in the middle, making them movable. Two blades. Just this element, upon reflection, is odd. When you peel vegetables, you usually move the blade in only one direction. And here's the first surprise. Proper use of a peeler involves peeling vegetables in both directions. For example, when peeling carrots or cucumbers, you can peel these vegetables twice as fast. See how simple it is. It's a big help when preparing dinner. Just try it a few times and you won't peel vegetables the old way anymore. And what about that element? It's only on one side. It's not metallic. Sometimes, intuitively, when peeling potatoes, some people use this element to remove those black eyes. But it has a better application. You can use it to cut through any thicker skin, like when peeling oranges. You don't need to use a separate knife. You don't need to use a knife at all. Just that peeler. Did you know you could peel oranges with it? Did you know about these peeler functions?